Hi, class. Hopefully, everything finds you well and safe, and hopefully, you're having a great time at home, not only doing your online lessons, but also getting outside and doing some exercise. We are going to be doing a home reflooring project in STEM class here over the next couple of weeks, and things you will need is this document that I have up on my screen and a tape measure. So, this document here. First off, reading the directions. Use this document to show all of your work. You'll need a tape measure to measure out the lengths and the widths of each room. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at my email address or join me during my office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We are going to be figuring out the cost on how much it is to install carpet in your living room, um, wood flooring or wood laminate in your bedroom, and a vinyl in your bathroom. So here's how we do this. Today, week one, I want you to just worry about this first page here where we will be installing carpet in your living room. So in this room, you'll also need padding underneath the carpet. You will also need to install base molding around the perimeter of the room. So first off, you need to take your tape measure and probably need a partner like a parent or a sibling to help you measure the room. You figure out the length and the width of the room, multiply those, and you get the square footage of the room. Then you figure out how much it costs for the carpet pad. So I want you to go to homedepot.com, and then I want you to search for carpet pad. Let that search for it here. And then you can choose which type of carpet pad you want here. And if you notice, it tells you the square footage. This one is 19 cents per square foot. This one's 37 cents. This one's 37 cents per square foot. That one's 81 cents per square foot. So then you go back into your document after you made your choice, put in the cost per square foot, times it by the square footage of your room that you already figured out, and that gives you a dollar amount. Then I want you to do the same thing for the carpet that goes on top. Choose your carpet, figure out the cost, go to homedepot.com to choose your carpet, figure out the cost per square foot, how many square foot per room, and total cost. Base molding, that's that wood molding that goes along the bottom edge of each room. So that one we're trying to figure out perimeter. We're not going by square feet. So you need to find the length of your room. Well, we have two lengths. Multiply those out. Do the same thing for the width of the room. We have two widths. Figure out that. And that gives you linear feet. Linear means straight line. So then for the perimeter, you take those lengths, you times it by 2, widths times it by 2, add them together, and you'll find the perimeter of the room. In 7th grade, 8th grade, you should be able to figure out perimeter by now. Perimeter of the room, each board is 8 feet apiece. So then you figure out how many boards I need. So you take the perimeter room, divide it by 8-foot boards, and then you figure out how many boards do I need. So let's say, for example, you end up with a number that's like 12.3. Let's say we have 12.3 boards. Well, Home Depot's not going to give you 0.3 of a board. Should you round up or should you round down? Well, when we're trying to figure out items here to purchase, we want to round up because we don't want to be short. So we'll round up depending on how big your room is. So you can click on this link here that I put on here for some oak molding, and that'll give you the price there for that, times how many boards you need, and that'll give you the cost. Add up the carpet pad, plus the carpet, plus the base molding. That gives you a total cost for your room. Okay, later on in the document, this will be for week 2, doing wood laminate in your bedroom. This will be for week 3 in STEM class, doing vinyl flooring in your bathroom. And then if you want to, you can go on to another page and continue doing this for your whole house, and that'll give you some bonus points. All right, so this project overall, I'm giving you 3 weeks to do it. This will be due on Thursday, April 16th by 3 p.m. Remember, we're going to try to do our first page this week. Uh, the document, I want you to put in your numbers. You just go right into the Google Classroom, the link that I provided for this document. You can write right in this, right in Google Classroom. Hit the save button. Don't forget to hit the save button when you're all done. Otherwise, it won't be here next week when you come back. If you are ambitious and you complete all 3 at once, hit the save button and then go ahead and click the turn in button, and I'll give you a grade early, maybe in that case. For those of you that don't like the way Google Classroom works, you can use Notability, but when you're all finished with Notability, then you need to add it as an attachment instead of the way we normally turn things in on the Google Classroom. All right. Hopefully you have fun with this, and we'll see you later. Bye.